AI can help you write, but it should not take control of your message today. Many writers are excited about AI because it can generate ideas, create outlines, rewrite sentences, and speed up the writing process. But many writers also feel uncertain. They wonder if using AI will weaken their creativity or make their writing sound robotic and disconnected from their real voice. That is why the Domino-Guided AI Writing Method focuses on keeping the writer at the center of the process. In this method, the domino gives the direction, AI gives support. The writer makes the final decision. This changes the relationship between the writer and AI instead of asking AI to do everything. The writer uses AI intentionally and step by step. The writer stays in control of the message, the meaning, and the purpose behind the work. AI is not meant to replace human creativity. It is meant to support it. The problem happens when writers depend completely on AI, without first understanding what they are trying to say. When that happens, the writing may sound polished, but it often loses personality, emotion, and authenticity. Readers connect with honesty, perspective, and human experience. Those things cannot be fully replaced by generated text. The Domino-Guided AI Writing Method helps writers stay grounded by focusing on one domino at a time. Each domino represents a clear step in the writing process. Before using AI, the writer pauses and asks simple questions. What step am I on? What do I actually need help with? What am I trying to say? Does this still sound like me? These questions keep the writer connected to their purpose instead of becoming lost in endless AI outputs. For example, if a writer is struggling with ideas, AI can help brainstorm topics or suggest different angles to explore. If the writer already knows the topic but feels disorganized, AI can help create a structure or outline. If the writing feels unclear, AI can help simplify sentences or improve flow. If the writer feels stuck, AI can suggest small next steps to rebuild momentum. But the writer still chooses what fits and what does not. That part matters. Not every AI suggestion belongs in your writing. The writer must decide which ideas align with their message and which ones do not. This keeps the writing personal and intentional. The goal is not to sound like an I. The goal is to sound more like yourself with support that helps you think clearly and move forward faster. The domino creates that clarity without direction. Writers often ask AI broad questions like, write my book or create my content. Those prompts usually lead to overwhelming responses filled with too many ideas and no clear focus. But when the writer identifies the correct domino first, the process becomes simpler. If the domino is idea, AI can help brainstorm. If the domino is purpose, AI can help clarify the message. If the domino is structure, AI can help organize thoughts. If the domino is start small, AI can help create one manageable action. Each step becomes easier because the writer knows what they are actually working on. This method also helps writers build confidence. Instead of feeling replaced by technology, they learn how to work alongside it in a healthier and more creative way. AI becomes a tool that supports progress instead of controlling the entire process. Writers should never feel pressured to surrender their voice just to write faster. Your experiences, your perspective, your emotions, and your message are what make your writing valuable. AI can assist with the process, but it cannot replace the meaning behind your story. The Domino-Guided AI Writing Method reminds writers that clarity comes before speed, direction comes before generation, and purpose comes before productivity. AI should support the writer, not replace the writer. The domino is the guide, AI is the assistant. The writer stays in control. If you want to learn how to write with more clarity, confidence, and purpose while using AI in a smarter way, subscribe for more lessons from the Domino Effect Writing System.